shovel.
Shovel?
Yeah. Shovel what?
You want to go out there?
Yeah. There's a helmet in my truck.
Here, I want my camera to get it. Ready?
Yeah.
Miserable. Oh, for a photo.
I'm videoing.